That is a final pass on this side, I mean, with this tool. After this thing I'm going to have to change the tool. But it looks like it's cleaning all the way. Maybe not all the way here, but it did give them a bit of a stretch. Oh well, whatever. It's going to be good. It's going to be better than what it was before. Once I'm done with this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to swap the tool, and I'll do that groove, and I'll probably do that side as well, because that side needs cleaning. Oops. Let's have a look how that looks like from the end. Not bad, but it looks nice. I'm happy. Every day is sketching on all sides now, by the look of it, by the sound of it. Neighbors won't love me for this one, but I don't really care. Tomorrow is back to normal all again. That has cleaned a lot of it. Yeah, boy. I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. Okay. Turn this sucker off. Kill this sucker too. Let's see how that finish looks like. How it feels. Maybe you should have a look as well, not just me. Come on, fucking hell, where are you? There you are. Where's my finger? Here it is. Oh yeah. Oh shit, yeah. That's nice. I'm not gonna do any more with this tool on this side. Let's change the tool and I'll come back to you. Here we go, guys, bit of action. I'm doing the actual groove, and it's doing fine. It's doing fine. The bit inside is a 12 mil and the groove is half an inch, so that's 0.7 of the mil difference. So yeah. Okay. Let's come up, 0.3, and let's go back. There's a bit of a noise over there. That's because that's a joint of a welding, so that's why it's going like that, because that's where the two welds have joints. I mean, old material and new material. That's sort of a cold joint, I believe. As soon as you pass that area, it doesn't make that noise anymore. Okay, that's 0.3 again. Not much left. How deep is that? That is 4.2 mil. What's happening? Something is happening. Okay. Okay, let's go up 0.3. I'll tell you what happened. That mighty chatter did that. This has got loosened and the bit went in. Reason for that is collar chuck is a metric from 12 to 13. And this is 12. It should be alright. I don't know. Maybe I didn't tie it in properly then. Let's see now. Let's go up 0.3. 2.3 is here, is it? I guess so. We'll see. And let's go. As soon as it laps that bit where the new weld and old material come together, it stops chatter. I'll tell you what, almost there. Let's go 0.3 up. That's there. Okay, 0.3 up again. Cool. Going 3 again. It's good that I'm not professional machinist. I probably wouldn't make a bloody dime. Oh well. I'm making enough as it is. Well, that's fine. Okay. 0.3 up again. That's good. Because we are almost there. I'll make it smaller, 0.2 up. Probably could go 0.3, but doesn't matter. This is boring. I'll show you progress of it later. Have a look at this final pass or semi-final. Now let's take 0.2. I think I'll call that good, eh? Or should I go a little bit more? Let's say 0.10. How do we like that? There's still a bit of a line here, but I think, or maybe let's go another 10. Gone, and I'm going to blend that with a grinder. So I'm thinking maybe we should go down on the back of it. Yeah, I chew a little bit too much there, but that's okay. I'm not gonna whinge over that. I'll put you back on once I set the backside. Guys, night has fallen. I managed so much, and tomorrow I gotta go to work, so I gotta get ready for it. So just to wrap this one up, and then I'll make another video with the finishing touches. I did this. It didn't come greatest, but it's not bad either. Wherever was a weld, that was hard as a bloody diamond. That was ridiculous how hard was that. I don't know how many bits I have changed. This side come up all right, sort of. So all that's left is this here. I think I'm gonna precisely grind that up and probably just grind it up maybe, because I'll see, maybe you know, all depends. It chatters so much that this is ridiculous how that chatters. So in saying that, guys, it looks like everything is holding up properly, because with that much chatter, nothing didn't crack, nothing didn't give away. But anywhere that where is old material and new material, that's a cold joint, it is hard as diamond. In saying that, we'll wrap this one up. Guys, I wish you all the best in the new year, and look after yourself and look after your loved one. Wishing you the very best in everything. Also, thank you for watching. If you stay to the end, all the best. Cheers.